Learn boiler repair, part 3. In this video, it's more of a prelude to the next video, as the Combi has now changed, has become more sophisticated, assisting the engineer in more ways than before, with a wonderful digital display showing us where to look. Still, we must use our brains, as computers are not always correct. Learn boiler repair part 1. Still relevant, however, today. Components sometimes can show faults. We must learn how to test them, to prove of our theories and our ideas before changing them. This is what will separate you from the rest. I encourage you to watch part 4 when it comes out. As always, we will do our best to show detail in our work. Testing of components is vital to be certain of the fault. Faults can sometimes be displayed not quite incorrectly, but not what you think. We shall delve deeper into this in the next series, which will be coming out shortly. Thanks again.